How to add location on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add location on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, simply open the Instagram app, and then there are actually two ways in adding location on Instagram. For the first one is on the stories. So you go ahead to the stories section, take a picture or a video, or you may also upload a new one. So for example, I'll just take a picture of this one, and then I'll just click on the stickers right here and click on location right here. So once I am in the location, I may search for location that I want right here. So I may search for Alberta. I mean, just type in Alberta or any location that you want. So you may choose Alberta right here, and now your post, your story is ready to post. So the second one is on the posts. So you may click on the plus button right here and then choose the post that you want. Click on next found on the upper right corner, and then click on next. And then you may add a location right here by clicking add location, search for the location that you want, and then choose the location, and then that's it. That's how you can add location on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.